Hello, I'm Ryan from Buster Beagle 3D. Today I wanted to do a quick review on a product that I get asked about quite often since people have seen me use it in many of my videos. It's an electric precision screwdriver called the WOWSTICK1F, and I have to say that I really love it. I know it seems like the epitome of laziness to have a little electric screwdriver, that is until you have to drive 900 screws into 300 heat chambers. Here you can see it in action, and I have to say the WOWSTICK does it like a champ. The WOWSTICK comes with 56 different size bits ranging from Phillips to flatheads to specialty, and most useful to me are the hex bits from 0.7 all the way up to 4 millimeters. The tool is rechargeable with a lithium-ion battery that is supposed to be able to work for hours. I honestly have only ever run out of power once in the years that I have had it, but if you plug it in every now and then, it should last a long time. It recharges from the micro USB port on the top of the stick. The WOWSTICK has a button on the side that controls both the forward and backing off direction of the rotation and rotates at around 200 revolutions per minute. The torque is decent, but every now and then you might need a little help to get something going, so the tool can be used manually as well. It also has 3 very bright LED lights at the base that do an excellent job of lighting up the area you are working on. This light turns on and off automatically while the buttons are being pressed on the side. The WOWSTICK also comes with a magnetizing and demagnetizing tool that comes in very handy when working with very small screws. The screwdriver also comes with this magnetic mat that helps keep track of all those tiny screws that you took out of something. The WOWSTICK also comes with a weighted base to store it in, an aluminum storage case that I lost long ago, that holds the screwdriver as well as a tube of bits. This is actually how all 56 bits are stored in these plastic tubes that I tossed out a long time ago. I found this great 3D print on Thingiverse that allows you to store the screwdriver bits and magnetic plate either by mounting it to the wall or just sitting it on the desk like I do. I will add a link to this in the description. Also, looking back on Thingiverse, there seem to be a lot more options now that were not around when I first made mine, so feel free to find the one that works for you. So that's it. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I just get so many people asking me about it all across all my videos that I thought I might do a little mini review. I really do like this screwdriver and would recommend it to anybody who is looking for this kind of thing. You can find links to the screwdriver as well as the Thingiverse page in the description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.